morning. Today is Sunday, May 28th, 2023, and behind me is the view of the Boston Harbor. Today we have a lot of stuff planned out. We have some sort of rough schedule that we're gonna follow. Maybe we're gonna see more stuff, eat more stuff, live our best life here because this is our only full day here in Boston. So let's take you on that journey. I'm so sad they're out of cream pies everywhere. Attempt number 3 to go to Mike's Pastry to try to get Boston cream pies. I don't know if this is gonna work today, but hopefully, because yesterday the last 2 attempts were pretty bad. There's also a race today, so that street over there got blocked, so we have to do a detour. Pause champ, is there a line?
There's no line.
There's no line.
There's no line.
There's no line. But now the next question is, do they have cream pies? Dude, we got so lucky. We bought basically the last few slices of Boston cream pie. These things, once they run, they only make it once a day, and once they run out, they don't have it anymore. So there's only one slice inside left. Kakashi Sensei spotted on the car. And now we're gonna go drive to Chinatown to get breakfast because we're tired of eating foreign breakfasts. A lot of many turns later. There's so many streets that are blockaded by barricades because of today's marathon. Didn't expect that to happen.
We literally went like from, we were from here to here to here, like fucking zigzag and then come down here. Like, makes no sense.
And we don't even know there's a barricade up ahead too. This marathon is a really big thing. We just took the L and paid for a parking garage. There's literally no parking here. You're only allowed to park if you're a resident. Feels bad, man. And the party across from us left 0 tip, and the waitress looked at the bill like, huh? Now we're off to go to a very shady area to go charge our Tesla because we're running on fumes here. Well, we'll just let it charge here while we go inside the Stop and Shop for a bit. Never mind, we're walking over to Assembly Square. Like bums on a damn side of a highway. Yes, Queen. Train to Forest Hills, Queen!
Wait! Yo,
we can take it back home. Next stop, USS Constitution.
wait, let's go squirt?
Huh? We're here at the Constitution Wharf to see the USS Constitution. What do you see? What do you see, Captain?
I see booty afar.
Oh? Time to go aboard the USS Constitution, the oldest commissioned warship afloat. The headroom down here is so damn low. I can like kind of, but if I go up a little bit, I'm gonna hit everything. Now we're gonna walk back to that tower over there that most certainly does not look like another monument. I was gonna consider climbing this tower, which is 300 steps about from the bottom, but I'm starting to reconsider it now. Ain't no way we lined up for this. 294. Oh, bitch. me. I'm never doing that again.
It's hot out here.
Holy shit. Going back to the car, and we're gonna take a short break back at the hotel to put away or maybe even eat the Boston cream pies. Thanks for giving me a cream pie in bed.
I'm taking this away from you.
Huh? No, wait, my cream pies. How's the Boston cream pie?
It's very creamy.
Creamy.
I'm salty.
Is it? It's more like cake than pie, right?
Yeah.
It's a cake. I'll have you know, this tastes much better than the cannoli. No wonder this sells out faster. The cannoli I had last time was just way too sweet, but this is actually decent sweetness. And now we're gonna go make our way to the Back Bay area, where we're gonna go look for lunch, and then we're gonna go check out an anime store. Because we are weeps, and that's what weeps do. It just came out of Anime Zakka. The place was pretty cool. We bought a lot of pins and stuff because...
Pin hobbyist.
Is it finally time for me to get into pin collecting? Who knows? And hey, we even met a really cool guy named Tyler in there. Now we're on our way to find some food before the Man with a Mission concert. Now we're just walking back to the car and Anime Zakka again because we're gonna spend more money.
Yes.
Here's a fucking degen.
What? How am I a DJ?
Huh?
I'm just supporting business.
Yeah, supporting small businesses.
Agreed.
We walked pretty far down, so we might just take the train back to the car. Now we're back in the car and we'll be on our way to the Man with the Mission concert. We've arrived at the Bright Music Hall. Holy, the line is hella long. What the fuck? There's so many weebs here. There's so many people online for a Man with a Mission. 160 people I counted in front of us.
Thanks to Boston, thanks to USA. You had an amazing time during this tour. Have a good night.
Man with a Mission concert was lit. I knew more than half the songs. It was as good as the last one. Although my eardrums may have popped though. So the anime songs that they did play were Vinland Saga, Iron Blooded Orphans, Long Horizon. Yeah, that was on there as well. And what better to end the night off than going to fucking IHOP in the middle of the nowhere next to the highway. At least it's a 24-hour IHOP. Anyways, the food coma is hitting really hard, so we're gonna go back to our hotel and just fucking hit the sack. Tomorrow's our last day here. Well, we got like half a day tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Good morning. It is Monday, May 29th, 2023. It's Memorial Day, and today we're gonna go home. But first we're gonna go get some brunch, and then we're gonna go do some last minute exploration. This hotel was relatively nice. I did kind of like it, even though we didn't stay here for that long. We didn't really do anything. Especially after staying out so late, both nights in a row. I'm a damn Starbucks addict now after this trip. Didn't even get to get boba because I'm not Asian. Sag. Anyways. It's time to check out the hotel. We still got the energy in us. I'm gonna use it to our fullest potential. Here we are at the north end. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, see what's up. It's the Paul Revere statue. Apparently has a live lobster. It's getting massacred.
They don't kill it before they.
Appetizer bread tier list.
Are you recording?
Cold appetizer bread.
It's soft. It's good. It's just bread, you know?
Yeah, the food there was pretty good, but I wouldn't know if it was worth the wait if we had waited. Thankfully, we didn't have to wait. Found a literal hole-in-the-wall shop. God damn. These back alleyways. This really does just look like New York. Except a lot cleaner. And no smelly. No, not the Among Us. The Among Us on the tracks. The best thing, you still got LTE. Don't got any of that back home. Well, boys, we made it.
We are in Harvard.
Yes, we're now in Harvard. Now we're just gonna go back to the car and we'll be on our way back. Look how beautiful the station is. Now we're gonna go to the orange line to see if we can catch one of the new trains. There we go, we got the new train. Hog.
The destination of this train is...
This damn nudge is so weird. Why'd they design it like that?
It's a nice looking train though.
It does look nice. It looks a lot nicer than the old ones. Now we're just walking back to the car and then we're gonna start heading home. And while Alex is in the car sleeping, we're gonna go buy some gelato as a last thing to do in Boston. It's fucking dripping. It's so... Yep. Well, it's time to leave.
Whew. Well, Boston, nice meeting you. Now we're out.
What are your thoughts on, I guess, Boston as a whole and I guess this trip, like the ups and downs of it?
It was fun. It's just like Boston driving sucks. I hate the one wrong turn and you're in the highway. Like, what the hell?
Yeah, I can come to the conclusion, should not drive when you come to Boston. Well, I kind of already knew that, but, you know, we had a car anyway, so. You can barely see Hartford in the distance. And here we are back in New Haven again. Still looks like a dump, but we gotta go back to IKEA to charge the car. We're almost out of battery. And we gotta make a pit stop for the bathroom, maybe pick up some meatballs. Well, back to charging this Tesla. Now we walk. Yes, I miss IKEA food. I don't know how Connecticut IKEA food is though.
No.
Ain't no way this guy rolled a gold.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Oh shit. It's Clara.
I'm the only one with no Clara now. Oh no. Peace out.
Anyways, it was fun. I got to do a bunch of shit over the weekend. I got to relive some old experiences, get some new experiences, and honestly, it was a good time. While I'm standing next to a Connecticut highway, I'll sign off, and I'll see you next time.